welcome back, welcome back. We're gonna do some, you see this, we're gonna do like a burrito style. So let's see, I'm gonna show you how to make the burrito. Instead of going, we're gonna put a little white sauce in there. My wife's homemade white sauce. Tell you the ingredients later. And all right, I'll show you guys. This is that white sauce. You put it on, slap it on. You don't need to put a lot because then it gets too wet. Alright, I'm going to show you the chicken here. Alright, as you can see, the chickens, we just got them out of the oven. We're doing like a very nice. This is all homemade. And we're gonna put some of this how are we gonna wrap this up? Any kind of sauces or cheese in there? Let's see. We like this kind of, this is a real good sauce here that I use. Wrap it up a little bit. It's barbecue style. I'm gonna wrap it up. Please do not forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, just cut it up. And I'm gonna let it sit on a pan. Right, and then I'm gonna put, there you go. We'll make it toasty. Please do not forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button. I'll see you guys on the next one. Take care and have a great day.